everyone, we're going to do a circular permutation with the reflection. We're going to, I already did a video on how keys work with this. So when you have a charm bracelet that has no clasp, that means it's circular. If it has a clasp, that means you can open it up and it would be linear. So there's that. So let's do the charm bracelet that has no clasp. So let's say the charm bracelet's here, and you have 6 charms. So charm 1, charm 2, charm 3, charm 4, charm 5, and charm 6. Now you do your permutations. It's circular. So we're using our circular permutation because one of these stands as a fixed point. So it's really 5 factorial, but we'll do 6 minus 1 factorial. So that's 5 factorial, which is going to be 120. All right, 5 factorial. All right, now, the thing about a charm bracelet is it can be flipped over. So these permutations are based on all the possible permutations, but a charm bracelet has a mirror image. So the charms are already there, and you can flip this charm bracelet over, and if you do, you'll still have your charm bracelet here, but these two get switched. This will be 2. These get switched. So this will be 3, and this will be 5, and I guess this is the same. So they get switched, and you have the same permutation that you counted in this number already. So since you've counting it twice, and then there's all these other permutations, so you have a total of 120. So when you switch it around and flip it over, you're going to get these identical permutations that you already counted. So what you do is you divide that by 2, and then that's going to give you 60 possible arrangements of the charm bracelet that has no clasp. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.